The third annual Belizean National Symposium on Education, BISE, was launched with a welcome reception at the Radisson Hotel on Sunday, January 1st. Today, they saw their last day of activities as they shared their displays at IT Vet on Freetown Road. The executive director and founder of the Belizean International Symposium on Education is Dr. Pamela Cook.
What the event basically involves are university professors, college professors, and students coming together in Belize to be able to share knowledge. Also coupled with going out to orphanages and giving donations on behalf of what we believe is a passion in regards to helping young children learn. And so that's what our whole purpose and the mission of the whole symposium is.
Cook says the project was inspired when she was working as a teacher at the Liberty Children's Home, and she felt like giving back to the Belizean community in return for their wonderful hospitality. In 2009, she met with Dr. Lopez and other professors from the University of Belize, as well as Dr. Farmer from Washburn University, and several others to develop a plan on how to conduct the symposium on a yearly basis. Dr. Judith McConnell Farmer is the interim chair and professor of early childhood education in the Department of Education at Washburn University in Topeka, Kansas. She has been actively involved for 3 years and spoke to Love News about her contribution.
This is the third time that I've been in Belize, and it's the second time that I've brought university students with me. So it's part of our study abroad program in Belize. And so they've been preparing all semester long through volunteerism at the United States and fundraising in the United States to support their trip. And while here, they have been bringing materials for our schools, for teaching supplies. They've been bringing all kinds of art materials, clothing, shoes, medical supplies, which are direly needed in the orphanages. Last year, I brought 13 students, and this year I brought 18 students. So I'm hoping next year to bring maybe 25 students.
2 students from Washburn University told us about their involvement in the symposium.
Is on, does culture affect your education? And mainly I was wanting to see how cultures around the world, but especially here in Belize and the U.S., why our education system is different. And I think one is the cultural differences, because here in Belize, I love the people here. It's so happy and everyone's love and friendly, and there's a lot of respect and kindness towards one another. And in the U.S. and the states where I live, oftentimes different people clash with their ideas of education and what should be taught in schools.
We worked really hard to come down here and learn all about the Belizean culture and work with children. That was our most exciting thing, was to come down here and prepare our own lesson plans to be able to work with the children in the orphanages, and also prepare a poster session for the symposium here. Myself and my partner, we worked on a poster about early childhood education. That's my emphasis back in the States, so it was really interesting to learn about both Belizean education in the early childhood spectrum and learn even more about American stuff. So